Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Faizan Khalid, and in this video lesson I'm gonna teach you basic scenario 8 of Vita Tax Training 2025 tax year. So as you know, in the previous lesson I taught you basic scenario 7. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? In the scenario we already you can check my previous lesson. So these are the question of Vita certification. So if you pass this question, you can access the Vita certification course from the website of IRS. So these are the basic scenario 7 test questions. Got it? We already performed the practical training of scenario 7. Now today we are going to file the basic scenario 8. Right? So this is the basic scenario 8. Beth is single and 48 years old. Beth has 2 children. Sally, age 20, has a job and earned wages of 3,700. Jack, age 27, is totally and permanently disabled and received SS benefits of 5,500. Both children lived with her all year. Beth paid all the cost of keeping up the home and more than half the support for her children. Beth received disability pension benefits, but she hasn't reached the minimum retirement age of her employer's plan. She doesn't have enough expenses to itemize for the 2025 tax year. Beth, Sally, and Jack are US citizens and have valid SS numbers. They all lived in the US for the entire year. If she has any balance due or refund, she'd like to use new bank and trust. Beth provided a voided check. So these are the SS numbers of all the 3, Beth, Sally, and Jack. Sally and Jack are 2 children of Beth, right? So it is very important to know what is the filing status in this case, right? So filing status Beth is going to choose is HOH, head of household. She is eligible for HOH, head of household. Got it? So that's why she will choose head of household. So let's get started and prepare the returns of. I already put the information. So I'm gonna review. I'm going to check. I'm going to show you all the information. When you log into this TaxSlayer Pro software, so for the very first section you have basic information. In the basic information section you have filing status, personal information, dependents, qualifying person information. Understand? Then you have federal section. Then you have state section. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. So for basic information we have got 3 important things: filing status, personal information of the taxpayer, dependents person. Got it? So the filing status, as you know, in this we choose head of household. Got it? So we choose head of household for personal information. Primary taxpayer first name is Beth. This is SN number, date of birth of Beth. Then the occupation, retired. Then we don't need to check this because we don't need in this case. And then address, then zip code, then city, state, Illinois, as you know. Then date, time, telephone number is very much important. The things which are in static you have to fill. Got it? You cannot avoid these. You have to fill the static things. Got it? You have to fill address, you have to zip code, city, town, state, and then date, time. Got it? Okay. The next thing which I'm gonna show you is dependent information. So you need to put dependent, as you know, 2 dependents of Beth, Sally. Understand? You need to put the last name, first name, date of birth, SS number. Then you have to say yes, because was this individual US citizen? Yes. Relationship, daughter, 12 months for a year means, if this is the case, you can do that. But full-time student, she is not a full-time student. Understand the case? Okay, now let's talk about Jack. Jack, the second dependent, son. Jack, first name, last name, SS number. Yes, son, 12 months. And then you need to check this. Check if this person was, yes, this person is disabled. Was disabled. Understand? This means you have made over 5,200 of income. Over 5,200. Let me check. Yes. SS benefits, 5,200 of income, then you'll made over, or you can uncheck it. It doesn't matter because he has got 5,500 social security benefits. Got it? So they are taxable. So you need to check understand. Now let's go to the next section, which is federal section. Income. So there is no W2 income, as you can see. In this case, there is no W2 income. We have only social security benefits, and Sally has earned wages of 3,700, which is a dependent. Understand? And Jack has 5,500 SS benefits. So clearly, you can 1099 R definitely. So you can don't have W2, skip W2, 1099G, Schedule B, no INTDA or DIV. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So you have only 1099R. So you have to fill it of this. Understand? Check here if this is standard 1099R. Okay. Form belongs to taxpayer. Payer's ID, gross distribution, taxable amount. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to do this. United States, 1800 Spring Street. You have to fill all this. Got it? This is a 1099R she received. So 40,000 gross taxable amount, 40,000. 2,000 federal tax withheld. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, you have to fill all this information. 2,000 federal, city Edison, state Illinois. Phone number is optional. Recipient information, you know that what is the recipient information. So other than that, there is nothing to fill. And one thing I need to show, check here to report on form 1040 line 1H. Distribution code must be a 3. So 3 is the distribution code. Okay. Line 7 of this 1099R. So we have to check this. Continue or cancel, because I have already put the information. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all is done. Now let's come to the deductions part. Let's come to the federal section and then deductions. When we go to the deductions part, we have got earned income credit only. Okay, we already automatically calculate, so the software, the system calculates earned income credit. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So she's eligible for earned income credit. So these are the basic questions you need to fill. Due diligence. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Okay. Now we have got nothing in this. This is voided check. If she gets a refund, so we can use this routing number and this, Okay. Then now when we go to the health insurance section, we have to choose no. We have to select no because there is no insurance, Affordable Care Act health insurance. Understand? There is no 1095A. So there is no premium tax credit. So then we need to go to the state section. Illinois. State Illinois, it is due 1224, right? And refund, she got refund of dollars 3,025. Understand, this is the refund and this is payment due. 40,000 is the AGI. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Let's go to print. View print return. So the starts from here. Okay, page number 6. As you can see, Beth Tooney, last name, social security number, address, head of household she chooses, no W2 income, 40,000 other earned income, airlines 40,000 is the AGI, and then standard deduction for HOH is, as you can see, 23,625 she got, and other taxes including zero. Total tax is 638 is the total tax, and 2,000 is federal withhold. So the refund is 1663. Got it? Earned income credit 1663. So total refund amount is total payments 363, which is the tax 638. Then the total refund amount is 3025. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, 3025 is the amount. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? So this is the paper filing. The next page is for itemized. There is no itemized deduction. Earned income credit, we have to, for the earned income credit, if any dependent we got, so we have to fill this form, which is EIC form, schedule EIC. Got it? Then credits for qualifying children. She got 500. Got it? 2 children. She got over 18. So she got 500 each. 1,000 she got. Additional child tax credit. She doesn't have any additional child tax credit. Then 3-year tax comparison credit limit worksheet A. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? This is the state income tax. So you can do it. So you can download this paper return. Understand? So I hope you understood and you got this scenario 8, basic scenario of Vita training. Until then, take a very good care of yourself. I will meet you in the next practice scenario, basic scenario 9. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? Take care and Allah Hafiz.